Hey everybody, I'm Peter from Off-Road Electric, and we decided that we are going to make some special video. We live about 20 miles away from Tatra Kopřivnice, where actually Tatra company has the factory, and these two display vehicles are just in front of the factory. So we can show you the trucks that Tatra actually currently manufacture. What you see over here, it's not exactly 100% Tatra. Tatra is only the chassis. These trucks are called Phoenix, and they have the cab, the modern cab, from a company called DAF. They are from Netherlands, and the engines and transmissions can be there from different manufacturers. Tatra still make the air-cooled engines and Tatra transmissions, but because emission standards, these trucks are sold mostly outside of Europe. We are going to take a look a little bit closer to these trucks. As you can see here, it's pretty much same what I have in my shop. Of course, this is much more shinier and newer, but this is pretty much the same, as well as the tube, as the central tube. You can see here is air suspension. These airbags have inside also the coil spring, which can, and the whole suspension can handle much higher weight. You can also see the modern air brakes on these axles. The steering box is mounted directly to the tube and not on the auxiliary frame, and also the steering arm, the main one, is kind of integrated into the tube, so it doesn't stick above the frame like I have in my Tatra. You can see the T-case is a little bit wider. It's because there are two levels, high and low. This Tatra has the leaf springs as the suspensions for both rear axles. And this particular truck doesn't have the suspension only through the leaf springs, but also with these airbags that have also coil spring inside, and one set of airbags for this axle and another one for this axle. Tatra makes 4x4s, 6x6 like here, 8x8 like that one, and those axles can be many more. What is also interesting, that these trucks have wheel reductions over here. It's basically the orbital transmission in each wheel. So this was a few info about current Tatra trucks, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.